now that you have learned about the amazing benefits of the keto diet, remember, fat loss, you may be asking, okay, all right, I've learned enough. What do I need to do to start? Well, there are a few key concepts that you must first understand. All right, keep it simple. You need to eat 75% of your daily calories from fat, 20% from protein, and 5 or so less of carbs. To break this down, say you eat an average 2,000 calorie diet, this would mean that 1,500 calories are from fat. So to help you visualize this, let's give you some examples. 1,500 calories from fat would be around 12.5 tablespoons of olive oil, or 15 tablespoons of butter, or 6 whole avocados. Now that is a lot of fat. But just remember, on the keto diet, the key to losing fat is eating fat. All right, let's go through a few of the do's and the don'ts, what to eat and what not to eat on the keto diet. All right, yeah, let's get into it. Here we have it. So we have a bunch of food of different variations and types. So this side is more of the don'ts. This side is more of the do's. Let's go through it. Okay, we have some Chobani Greek yogurt. Yeah, they market it as having a lot of protein and less sugar, but what does it say on it? Non-fat. And you read the label on the back, total carb content 6 grams, 4 grams of sugar. That's a definite no-no, all right? So you may have to read a few labels, get into things, look at it, but don't worry, we will take care of that for you. And we have potatoes. These are carbohydrates. Remember, the kindling of the fire. So we push those aside. We have the rice, all right? A lot of our grains, you know, all the oats and whatnot, pasta, everything like that is a don't or no-no on the keto diet. Fruit, for the most part, is a no-no on the keto diet also. You got to stay away from that. And one thing that can be really tricky is all the sauces, you know, all the dressings, all of the like barbecue sauce. You read the label on the back and it is pretty much all carbohydrates. 16 grams of sugar, all right? It can be deceiving. So that's why we have everything laid out for you, all right? Let's go into the other stuff. What to eat on the keto diet, all right? Some things may not be very typical, but don't worry, we have tons of amazing, tasty recipes that you can make with all this food. For example, heavy whipping cream, not a typical source of something you put in recipes on a normal carbohydrate-based diet, but we can make some amazing keto ice cream out of heavy whipping cream. It's actually one of my favorite. We also have butter, all right? Straight up grass-fed dairy, sweet and salted butter, all right? None of the hydrogenated oils, fake butter stuff. Gotta eat the real. We have nuts, macadamia nuts, some of my very favorite, super high in fat. Any other kind of nuts, peanuts, almonds, whatnot. We have almond flour and coconut flour, all right? You can make lots of amazing, tasty recipes with these. For example, the other day, we just made some salmon that was dipped or breaded in the almond and coconut flour, and it tasted pretty darn good. We have peanut butter or nut butters. I like almond most of the time. And of course, we have our actual oils. Olive oil, avocado oil, and whatnot. And these are all the do's, definite do's on the keto diet. Some of the middle ground is vegetables, all right? So like broccoli. Broccoli is amazing. I eat broccoli pretty much every single day, a couple servings of it. Same with asparagus. These are both very nutrient rich, as in vitamins and minerals, okay? And they also have a lot of fiber. Pretty much all the carbs that are in the vegetables is fiber, which is okay on the keto diet, but you do have to watch that as well. So it's like let's go to this. This is a vegetable. Most people would look at it on a normal diet, be like, yeah, sweet, it's awesome, I had a serving of vegetables, but corn, carrots, peas are very starchy. Now it does have some fiber in it. So let's see, total 10 carbohydrates. Only 2 of them are fiber and 4 of them are sugars. So we can practically put it over here in this category, because remember this had 4 grams of sugar, some of the potatoes, like it all has sugar, all right? So these are the vegetables we'll stick to, not the only ones. There are lots of other vegetables, and you'll see on our super simple and tasty meal plan We'll have this all laid out for you, super simple, so don't be intimidated. We got you. Well, there you have it. Now you have a better idea of what the keto diet is, what you should and shouldn't eat, as well as how much.